p.m. for northeastern Benton and central Henry counties. At 10:21 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Paris, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-sized hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. At 10:20 p.m., a tornado was reported east of Paris. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Paris Landing State Park, Springville, Roughton, Big Sandy, Henry, Kegler Ridge, Manville, Old Springville, Buchanan, India, Osage, Sunnyside, Van Dyke, Whitmore, Spring Creek, Porter Court, Pine Hill, and Big Sandy Unit, Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee.